first enhancement or update that's included in the March release here this month is the new application creation page. So they've slightly changed this here to kind of separate this by almost functions, so finance, human capital, and sales. And if you note, under finance, you see that planning and budgeting. That's where you would start to create your planning and budgeting solution. So in the past, this screen looked a little bit different, but they're trying to have kind of a one-size-fits-all, cloud creation page for Oracle Cloud products, specifically under the EPM umbrella. So if you look there, you'll see the financial close under finance as well. That's going to be the FCCS product, and the tax reporting is an additional product as well. And then you look into, additional applications within human capital and sales. So, again, as a reminder, this screen does look a little bit different. So maybe in your test environment, if you're creating a new application for some testing, just remember to click under finance there and go under planning and budgeting to kind of start that application creation wizard. And then you should be able to follow the menus from there to very easily create your skeleton application there.